You will regret your action as a teacher in the making. This is your field of call. This is your profession, and this is your endeavor. Are you getting it? So you should be able to be serious about it. I'm going to take you concept mapping method of teaching. Concept mapping method of teaching. Are we getting it? Can you say it? Concept mapping method of teaching. Method. Huh? Method. Say it. Good. Concept mapping method of what? Teaching. So as a teacher, what do you know about this method? This is one of the methods that you are going to use in order to change the behavior of secondary school students, and even to change the behavior of you yourself or your friend or people that you want to at least change them to do the right thing. Uh, the first question, what is concept mapping? What is concept what? Mapping. This is the rhetoric question that does not require any answer from each and every one of you. This is just a question. Are we getting it? What is concept mapping as a teacher? What do you know about concept mapping? What are the benefits of concept mapping? How do you apply concept mapping in your teaching? What are the advantages of concept mapping and disadvantages of concept mapping? And how do you make head, or how do you make ages, or how do you excel in using concept mapping as a teacher? Are we getting it? I'll read from the slide, but yes, I'll read before I explain. The idea of concept mapping method of teaching is visual strategy. It's a visual what? Visual strategy where learners and educators create diagram. Learners and educators create what? A diagram or diagrams to show the relationship. To show what? The relationship. To show the relationship. Huh? So the learners and the educators, the lecturers, the teachers, and so they'll come together in order to create a diagram. Are we following? A diagram that connects each and every one of them. What are they going to connect? They are going to connect between ideas. Ideas. Are we getting it? Remove this thing and go out. Just go out. Create ideas. This is what they're expected to do. They create diagrams to show the relationship between ideas. Between ideas, concepts, and knowledge. How many things? Ideas, concept, and what? And knowledge. What are they going to create? They are going to create a diagram. They are going to create a diagram between them and their learners. Are we getting it? The diagram of what? Of ideas. The diagrams of what? Of concept. And the diagrams of what? Of knowledge. Meaning, what you are teaching as a teacher, you should be able to what? Connect that particular thing with the previous knowledge of your what? Of your learners. Are we getting it? You and your learners must come together and create a very good relationship that gives you aid, or that gives you ample opportunity to know this and that. Are we getting it? You are coming together with your learners, help you about three things. You are expected to come with an idea. You are expected to come with a concept. You are expected to come with a what? A knowledge, and allow the learners to what? To think on their own in order to bring solutions to this problem. Are we getting what I'm saying? So this is concept mapping for you. And not only this, it involves organizing knowledge. Organizing what? Knowledge. What is knowledge, by the way? Let me ask you, what is knowledge? What is knowledge? I'm asking everybody, what is knowledge? What is knowledge? Any idea? Knowledge is what? The process of what? Huh? Acquiring ideas. So knowledge is the process of acquiring ideas. Are you getting it? Skills, concept, techniques, method, and things like that. Are we getting it? What you've acquired is your knowledge. So you as a teacher, you are expected to what? Organize the concepts of knowledge. And not only this, you are expected to do it in hierarchical order. In what? Hierarchical order. From 1, 2, 3 to 10. Are we getting it? This is in hierarchy. Not 8, 7, 5, 2, 1. No. You are to do it in hierarchical order. So if you want to teach your student an idea, you are expected to arrange the idea from what? From simple to complex. Are we getting it? From simple to complex. From known to what? To unknown. This is what you're expected to do as a teacher. By so doing, you are indirectly bringing in what? Concept mapping. Linking concept. As you have brought it together, you are expected to what? To link concept with lines or arrows labeled with what? With explanatory words to form propositions. Are we getting it? To form what? Propositions. What is the meaning of propositions? To form new ideas, to form new concepts, to form new knowledge, to form a different thing entirely. Are we getting what I'm saying? This is what we're expected to do as a teacher. We are teaching you as teachers to go and teach others. We are teaching you as teachers to go and change the world. We are not teaching you as students. That is why you are different from quacks that are in other departments. Are you getting it? You are a professional teacher. Just tell yourself that you are a what? Professional teacher. So wherever you go, you will be given a license. That is why we are teaching you all these strategies. We are teaching you all these theories. We are teaching you all these methods of teaching. Other faculties, they don't have all these methods. And let me tell you one secret. This method of teaching that we are teaching you is the backbone of education. Is the backbone of what? Of education. So pay attention and learn very well. The next thing is approaches to concept mapping. What are those approaches? Listen attentively. If you miss the approaches, you may not get it correct. Concept mapping is a bit technical. Is technical. So you should be able to learn or pay attention very well. Number one, start by brainstorming the main big picture ideas you want to study. You are to start what? Brainstorming. What is brainstorming? Debating among yourself about a concept that you want to learn. Are we getting it? You as a teacher bring a topic that will what? Elicit debate between learners. Ask 3-4 people to go out and talk about a concept. Give them that concept. They should start by brainstorming themselves. What this one should say this one should oppose it, this one should support. Are we getting it? This is how we are going to get it. Are we getting what I'm saying? Now if I say concept mapping, we are going to present a paper to see who are the good people that will take the first position in presentation. Before you understand, everybody will go and start what? And start practicing on how to what? On how to get the first position. Are we getting it? So it's just like a concept mapping. If I bring in an idea and I say you go and study the idea, know how to solve the problem. You go and study the idea, go and solve the problem. You go and study the idea, go and solve. Everybody will go and do his own work and do his own way of solving those problems. Are we getting it? So giving you the ample opportunity to go and solve these things, bringing in your ideas, bringing in your knowledge, you may be generating new ideas that you don't have it before. But because we challenge you to think deeply, you may be what? Bringing in new things. Are we getting what I'm saying? So concept mapping helps you to brainstorm among yourself in order to bring what? Bring in new ideas. Number two, choose an idea from your brain dump list. You may have your brain dump list. You have brainstormed and done some ideas. Are we getting what I'm saying? Yes. Now, if you want to be a lecturer, if I asked you how to be a lecturer as a student, think on how to be a lecturer and write down the points. The first point that will come to your mind, you are expected to jot it down. Second point like that, third point like that, all to the last point. Ideas are coming. What are you supposed to do? You put them in what? You jot them down. This is an idea of concept mapping. You will be challenged, you will be given a concept, you are expected to go and brainstorm. Are we getting it? Find solution to that particular problem. So what we are saying here, you are to choose an idea based on what you have dropped, based on what you have resuscitated, or based on what you've regenerated. You are expected to go there and pick some of the ideas and start working on them. Number one, you think is important, the idea is important. What are you supposed to do? You are expected to look at it very well. You are expected to think deeply on that idea. You are expected to analyze the idea. You are expected to dissect that idea very well in order to bring out new things. Maybe it's something that was covered in the class and you could not pay attention. What are you supposed to do? You go out and think over it, go to the library, go to the cafe, go and make researches, make your own ideas, build your own knowledge so that you can bring in new things. Are we getting it? And not only this, you feel most confident about what you want to do. If I ask you, please go and generate or go and create, go and invent or design a handset for me, what will be the first thing that will come to your mind? Are you getting it? Those of you from sciences, they know how to start it. If I say guidance and counseling student, how do you counsel a forensic client? How do you counsel a forensic client? It's just an idea. It's left for you now to go and brainstorm. What should I bring in? What should I avoid? What should I use? Are we getting it? What are those things that I will follow in order to change this person? You are generating new ideas. Are we following? So a teacher can come in with his student. They will bring in just a concept, just an idea, and he will now push the learners to start thinking about that idea so that they can develop that idea. Doing that is a concept of teaching, and doing that is a method of teaching, and then doing that is what is concept mapping. Are we getting it? Concept mapping. Very, very important. Very, very important. So you should be very, very careful. Number three, put that idea down on paper or on whiteboard or chalkboard, sort of in the middle. Sort of in the what? In the middle, after you might have jotted down the idea. Number four, now go through your list of terms. What other terms are connected in some way to the one you just used? I said you should think deeply how to link in between ideas, idea A with idea B with idea C with idea D. Are you getting it? How you are expected to link up between these things. And not only linking, sorting relationship between these ideas. How do you get relationship as a teacher? How do you sift out good ideas from ideas that will not even support you? Then the relationship could be what? Hierarchical. Could be what? Hierarchical. When I say hierarchy, I'm referring to stages or steps. Are we getting it? So your idea should be hierarchical. And not only this. Number five, come up with what? Linking terms. In writing your ideas, you are expected to come up with what? Linking terms that explain how you see the ideas being related to each other. There should be linking terms. Linking words. that will help you in connecting your ideas. And not only this, number 6, arrange and rearrange all of the ideas you identified on your brainstorm list until the way you have them organized makes sense to you. What you're supposed to do, rearrange those ideas. After you might have done the ideas, rearrange them. Let them be in hierarchy. When I say hierarchy, maybe based on priority, based on needs. What you want it now, tomorrow, next tomorrow, and so. And not only this, the last one is when you are studying for exams. The person gives example with this. He said, when you are studying for exams, it can be effective. And for someone, it can be effective for you. Someone will take it as a fun. You are seriously reading your books. You are seriously analyzing the past question papers when somebody is looking at you as if you are not serious. Are we getting it? So to get out and make giant concept map that put together smaller concept map you have made throughout the semester, you are expected to synthesize all the ideas your teachers or your lecturers have asked you to what? To take note of them. Bringing those ideas in hierarchical order helps you in your exams. And not only this, as a teacher now, what do you understand by what? By concept mapping. Let me just stop here and evaluate what I've told you. What is concept mapping? In a simple term, what is concept mapping? Yes? 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 Teacher and the student read diagram of ideas, concepts, and knowledge. Good. That is a very good one. How do they do that? How do they do that? How do they do that? Yes? By providing the diagram. Yes, after they might have provided the diagram, what will be the next thing? Yes? Yes. They will brainstorm to bring in what? New ideas. And what? Concept. And knowledge. After they might have done that, what next? They should arrange those ideas in hierarchical what? In hierarchical order, based on the need and based on the priority. Are we getting it? Good. And not only this, what next? What next? Bring out ideas from their mind. Jot them down before the hierarchical steps. Okay, now it's the same thing. If you put it in hierarchical order, is what you have what? If what you have put aside, that you are bringing them into what? Into hierarchical order. What she's saying there is what I said, brainstorm list. Brainstorm what? Brainstorm list. What you have what? What you have cogitated, what you have regenerated, what you have created as a person, you what? You are expected to dump it somewhere. You are expected to put it somewhere as a pile of ideas. From there, you will be picking them one after the other so that you can put them in what? In hierarchical order. Are we getting it? Good. Let me take you briefly to the benefit of concept mapping. Number one is deep understanding. It helps learners to have a deep understanding of a concept. It helps students integrate knowledge and create meaning by explicitly what? Showing the connection between concepts. This is what they're expected to do. Number two, active learning. It helps learners to foster hands-on. What is hands-on? Hands-on. Hands-on. Everybody say hands-on. Hands-on. You know hand? Yes. On. Meaning practical things. When they say hands-on learning, they are referring to what? Practical learning. Take this as from today. If somebody say you are going to have a hands-on what? Learning. Hands-on learning. You should be able to understand that is a practical learning. Maybe I want to teach you how to locate your map here. So bring out your smartphone. Everybody will start bringing out his what? Smartphone, using his hand to what? To locate the app on his phone. That is hands-on learning. Are we getting it? Good. Active learning, it fosters hands-on activity and encourages learners to actively participate in organizing and constructing their own ideas or their own understanding also. Number three, individualized learning. That is the third benefit. Individualized what? Learning. It allows students to organize content in ways that align with their individual learning styles, making it a flexible tool for differentiate for what? To be differentiated. Are we getting it? For you, if I ask you go and do it your own, you yourself do your own, and everybody should go and do his own idea or bringing in his idea. So everybody will have that individualized what method of learning or method of teaching, and he will do it at his own pace and so. Number four, the benefit of concept mapping is assessment. It can be used to assess what students have learned by visually representing their conceptual and related knowledge. They can do that. You can assess your learners through that. And not only this, there is curriculum design. Curriculum what? Design. So concept mapping helps a teacher to what? Develop a curriculum. It serves as a tool for educators to plan instruction, develop interdisciplinary units, and eliminate redundancy in their content. So this is what it's all about. So benefit of what? Of concept learning cannot be over exaggerated or emphasized. You should understand this as a teacher. Nobody should tell you this. And not only this, can we take a look at the advantages, maybe just one and disadvantage. Number one, concept mapping organizes what? Number one, it organizes concepts which promotes meaningful learning for learners. It helps in what? Organizing concepts. That is one of the advantages of concept mapping. It helps in organizing concepts. Are we there? Number two, concept mapping could support the overall learning style and enhance the understanding of concept. Are we getting it? It helps in organizing a style or organizing ideas in such a way that student will do that based on his own style and so. And not only this, number three, concept mapping could help student with self-reflection. Self-reflection. You should be able as a student of undergraduate, you should be able to think on your own. You reflect back to what? To your own ideas and things that you have designed or created. And not only this, concept mapping could promote dialogue between students. It could promote what? Dialogue between students, because it's an idea that they may dialogue the idea or brainstorm that idea among them. And not only this, disadvantages of concept mapping and limitations of concept mapping. Number one, the presentation of concepts tends to be simple. This is what this researcher is saying. Number two, the evaluation results tend to be subjective rather than what? Objective. It tends to be what? Subjective, subjecting people to do a certain thing rather than allowing them to have that objectivity. Number three, it is time consuming to draw with paper and pen. Are we getting it? So it's time consuming. Number four, the concept mapping provides no explanation for the concept itself. You are the one to develop that concept on your own as a thinker or as a researcher. The last thing that I want to tell you, that is the conclusion of what we treated. In short, concept mapping can present knowledge in a full picture. Did you agree with that? It presents knowledge in a what? Full picture, rather than as a single statement. It makes students realize that understanding is more important than what? Memorizing things. Did you understand? Understanding concept is more important than what? Memorizing it. And share each person's different knowledge and ideas. So it helps learners to share their what? Their ideas with their friends. However, its disadvantages are time consuming, more subjective, and it provides no explanation for the concept itself. You are the one to provide what? That particular explanation yourself. Are we getting it? So this is the end of this theory of teaching, or theory of teaching of method of teaching. You should be able to understand this as a teacher. Concept mapping, if they mention it, have these small ideas that we've mentioned, so that you can have what? You can have it over and above your friends. Any question? Any question?